Question number 1. She usually dash her homework before dinner. A. Do B, does C, did? Question number 2. What is the opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Glad. C. Joy. Question number 3. Choose the correct sentence. A. He go to school every day. B. He goes to school every day. C. He going to school every day. Question number 4. Fill in the blank. They dash playing football now. A. Is B or C am? Question number 5. Which preposition fits? The book is dash the table. A. On B in C. At
Question number 6. Complete. She dash finished her work. A. Has B. Have C. Had. Question number 7. Choose the correct past tense. I dash a movie yesterday. A. Watch B. Watched C. Watches. Question number 8. Fill in the blank. This gift belongs dash her. A. To B. With C. For. Question number 9. Choose the correct form. He dash very tall. A. Is B. Or C. Am. Question number 10. What is the correct question form? A. You are coming. B. Are you coming? C. Is you coming?
Question number 11. Complete. We dash lived here since 2015. A has, B have, C had. Question number 12. Choose the correct comparative. My house is dash than yours. A. Bigger. B. Big. C. Biggest. Question number 13. Fill in the blank. The cat is dash the sofa. A. On B. In C. Under. Question number 14. Which is correct? A. She don't like tea. B. She doesn't like tea. C. She not like tea. Question number 15. Complete. Are you help me? A. Can B do C will?
Question number 16. Fill in the blank. They dash gone to the market. A. Has B. Have C. Had. question number 17, choose the correct sentence. A, I am going now. B, I going now. C, I goes now. Question number 18. Fill in the blank. She speaks English dash than her brother. A, good. B, better. C, best. Question number 19. Which preposition fits? He is interested dash music. A, on B, in C, at. Question number 20. Complete. I dash finished my homework. A, haven't. B, doesn't. C, isn't. Question number 21. Choose the correct plural. There are many dash in the park. A, child's. B, children. C, child's. Question number 22. Fill in the blank. She was born dash July. A, at. B, in. C, on. Question number 23. Which is correct? A, he don't want to come. B, he doesn't want to come. C, he doesn't wants to come. Question number 24. Complete. We dash going to the party. A, is. B, or C, am. Question number 25. Fill in the blank. The books are dash the shelf. A, on B, in. C, at. Question number 26. Choose the correct form. She dashed to music daily. A, listen. B, listens. C, listening. Question number 27. Complete. They dash married for 5 years. A, has. B, have. C, had. Question number 28. Fill in the blank. I dash a new bike last week. A, buy. B, bought. C, buying. Question number 29. Which is correct? A, he can speaks English. B, he can speak English. C, he can speaking English. Question number 30. Complete. I will call you dash I arrive. A, when. B, while. C, during.
Question number 31. Choose the correct sentence. A, they goes to school every day. B, they going to school every day. C, they go to school every day. Question number 32. Fill in the blank. The sun rises dash the east. A, at. B, on. C, in. Question number 33. Which is correct? A. She is more taller than me. B. She is taller than me. C. She is tallest than me. Question number 34. Complete. He dash a good singer. A. Is B or C? Him. Question number 35. Choose the correct preposition. They live dash London. A at B and C on. Question number 36. Fill in the blank. I have never dashed to Paris. A. Been. B. Gone. C. Went. Question number 37. Which is correct? A. She don't have any money. B. She doesn't have any money. C. She doesn't has any money. Question number 38. Complete. We dash watching TV when you called. A. Was B or C is. Question number 39. Fill in the blank. The keys are dash the table. A. On B in C at. Question number 40. Choose the correct question. A. What you are doing. B. What are you doing? C. What do you doing? Question number 41. Complete. She dash English very well. A. Speak. B. Speaks. C. Speaking.
Question number 42. Fill in the blank. I dash go to school every day. A. Must be. Musts. C. Musted. Question number 43. Which is correct? A. There is some apples on the table. B. There are some apples on the table. C. There is any apples on the table. Question number 44. Complete. They dash happy yesterday. A. Was B. Were C. Is. Question number 45. Fill in the blank. She dash a letter every week. A. Writes. B. Write. C. Wrote. Question number 46. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have seen that movie last week. B. I saw that movie last week. C. I seen that movie last week. Question number 47. Complete. He dash work tomorrow. A. Will be. Shall see. Wouldest week. Question number 48. Fill in the blank. The children are playing dash the garden. A. In B. At C. On. Question number 49. Choose the correct form. She dash not like coffee. A. Do B. Does C. Did. Question number 50. Complete. We dash to the party next Saturday. A. Are going. B. Is going. C. Am going.